Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. In this 7-minute guided meditation, we'll awaken your body and mind, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and let's begin this journey to energize your morning. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. With each inhale, imagine drawing in fresh, invigorating energy. With each exhale, let go of any residual sleepiness or fatigue. Continue this breathing pattern, feeling your body awaken with each breath. Now, visualize a warm, golden light at the top of your head, representing the morning sun. As you breathe, see this light slowly descending, filling your head, neck, and shoulders with warmth and energy. Let it continue to flow down through your chest, arms, and torsos, awakening every cell. Finally, feel it reach your legs and feet, grounding you in vitality and readiness for the day. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am energized and ready to embrace the day. Positive energy flows through me effortlessly. I approach today with confidence and enthusiasm. I am open to the opportunities this day brings. Let these affirmations resonate within, setting a positive and empowering tone for your day. Take a moment to set an intention for your day. It could be a goal you wish to achieve, a mindset you want to maintain, or a way you'd like to interact with others. Hold this intention in your mind, visualizing it unfolding throughout your day with ease and grace. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this energy and positivity into your day. Thank you for joining this morning meditation. If it uplifted you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Soul Sanctuary for more guided meditations to enhance your well-being.